Good morning, children. We already learned about the angles, the different types of angles. Okay, and how we use the protractor. Next, we can take the use of protractor and how is drawing that angles by the use of protractor and what are the degrees in that. That also we can study now. Okay, listen here, children. You can see here the picture of protractor. Picture of protractor. What is the shape of that protractor, children? What is the shape of that protractor? Listen here. This is the protractor. What is the shape of that protractor? That is the shape of D. Yeah, isn't it? The shape of D. That is the shape. If we put like this, then the shape of D. The shape of D. In this protractor, you can see here in the middle, you can see one line here. You can see one line here, and in that in the middle of this protractor, you can see the picture of the sun. You can see already there, isn't it? This way you can see that sun, and in the middle you can see one line is there. And you know what is the joining point of two lines? Joining point of two lines, this one line is this one and this one is another line, and the joining point of this we can call it as, what is that? Vertex, isn't it? That is a vertex. And you here also you can see one vertex here. This one vertex, that is a main point. And look here, this one is the 90 degree. Yes, look here. Degree we can do like that. 5 degree, 8 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree, likewise. Okay, and here you can see this one is the 90, and that means 90 degree, and here you can see here 90 degree, and this side you can see 80, 70. If you can take your protractor, then you can see that 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 and 0 degree. Here 0 degree is starting, and 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, likewise 0 degree here, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 degree. And this one means below 90 degree. That below 90 degree means that you know that is acute angles, isn't it? Below 90 degree, that is acute angles. So this one, the 90 degree here, that is right angles. That is right angles. And here you can see after 90, this side you can see 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 up to 180. Look here. 100, 110, 20, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and you can see here 180 degree. That is straight line, that is straight angle. This 180 degree, that is a straight angle. That is 180 degree. 180 degree, that is straight angle. Okay. So if you draw an angle, because this one is 0 to 90 degree angles, and here 90 to 180 degree. So this one also 0 to 180 degree means 180 degree, and here 180 plus 90. What is 180 plus 90? 270, isn't it? 270 again. So 270 plus 270 plus 90. 270 plus 90, what is 360 degree? Okay. Then this one is the 360 degree, and here this protractor, you know, that is half of the circle. That half of the circle, this is the semicircle, isn't it? The shape is D, and that is a semicircle. That semicircle, that is 180 degree. That 180 degree means that is a straight angle. Okay. So here you can see 190 degree here and 190 degree here also. 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Okay. So we can make use of this angle, this protractor. Draw a 90 degree angle. Draw a 90 degree angle. So we can take your protractor, and you can draw one line, and in that line, this point, this in the middle, I told you, here you can see one sun. In the middle you can draw you can see one line. That vertex, you can see that vertex you can see. Point out that line, you can see one line on the protractor. That line you have to put it on that, which one you draw that line. Okay, so you can put like this. In between you can see that vertex. That means vertex means two lines joining point. So here also you can see that joining point vertex, and that vertex you can put it on that line and mark here, that here you can draw a 0 or O. Okay, and here this one is the 90, then you can mark the, so you can draw that line by the use of scale. Don't do. Yes, so this one is the 90-degree angle by use of protractor. Okay, 90-degree. Okay, 90-degree, you can write it like this. Okay, then next one, if you draw a 70-degree angle, you can draw a line and take your protractor. You keep that protractor on that line. Two lines should be same, and they mark here O and 70. You can look here. Yes, sorry. Yes. O 70. That is here. Here. That is here. Okay. Then 70-degree means that is below 180-degree. Below 180-degree. So that is a acute angle. 70-degree angle. That is acute angle. That is acute angle. Okay. And if you draw a 120-degree angle, 120-degree angle means that is an obtuse angle, isn't it? So you can draw a line and keep the protractor on that line. Yes, okay. Yes. In the middle, you can draw 0-degree, 100, 110, 120. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. So this line that you know, that is above 90 degrees. So that is an obtuse angle. That is an obtuse angle, children. Then next one, degree clock. Next, degree clock. Okay, this one is a clock. Yes, okay. Okay, children. Okay, then here in the middle, see, in between you can see like this in the middle. If you take this one is a square paper, and if you take a circle, first you have to draw in between, and again in the middle. Again you can draw, and you will get it this shape. Okay, children. And if you open this, paper. Open this paper. You can see in the middle one line, again here one line, and in between that also you will get it one lines. Okay, then you can get it here. This one is the 90 degree, and here this 90 degree in between one line is also going, that is 45 degree. Half of 90, that is half of 90. Half of 90 means that is 45 degree. And here this one is 90, this one 90, 490 degrees you can see the, and that 490 degrees means that is 360 degree, isn't it? And in between, look here, this one also here, yes, this one is the 90 degree angle, that is right angle, and in between that this one is 0 degree, and here 180 degrees, isn't it? 0 to 180, and again one more 180, then 2 180 degrees. 2 180 degrees means that is 360 degree, or otherwise you will get it 490 degrees. 490 degrees means 490 degrees, that also 360 degree, isn't it? 4 zeros are 0 and 4 nines are 36, that is 360 degree. And otherwise 2 180 degree. 2 180 degree means 200 180 degree, that also 360 degree. Or otherwise, if this 90 degree means half of that 90 degree means, what is half of that 90 degree? Half of 90, that is 90 by 2. 90 by half of 90, that is 90 by 2, that is 45. So this one is the 45 degree, and this one also 45 degree. And here also you will get it to 45, and here another 45. Here also you will get it another 45. Look here. Then 145, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 45 degrees means 2, 4, 6, 8 45 degrees. 8 into 45. What is 8 into 45, children? 8 5s are 40. Remaining 4. 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36. 360 degrees. Okay. So 180 degrees, that is 360 degree. And this one also 180 degree. 3 to 180 degrees, that is 360 degree. And otherwise 490 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 490 degrees, that also 360 degree. Or otherwise if you take half of the 90 degree, that means 45 degree. And here 45 degree, and here also, and 845 degrees. 845 degrees means that is 360 degrees. This is the degree clock, and when you are using degree like this, 45 degree, 45 degree. Okay, children, then everyone want to draw it in your notebook, and degrees also you have to write it. Okay, children, bye.